Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. In this video we're going to learn how to correct journal lines from a posted journals. So we can go to Tell Me option and put as posted journals. So that will show us all the posted entries we posted recently. So you go to copy selected lines to journal. Let's say if you want to copy a couple of lines, and then we say copy selected lines, and then we can just fill in this information. So it's going to ask for what's going on there. So target journal, tablet journal, target journal pass is daily. Replace posting date. If you want to replace it, replace document number. Let's say, for example, we say yes. Two posted journal lines have been copied to journal. Do you want to open target journal? Yes. So let's say I open these two of them, and there was a problem with that, and I want to correct them, any of the details. So first thing is first, I'm gonna delete this line because obviously it's not completed. Excuse me. And then you can go and do whatever you want to do. Let's say if it was 5,000 and this was 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you can go to home and you can post it again, and let's say post it. So it says is the journal lines were successfully posted. And if we go back now and go out of this again, so it's going to refresh the page, that will show us that we made the correction of that. So find that and click it. It will show you the corrected amount, whatever we wanted to correct it, and it's the correction of the journal lines. So I hope you understand how it works with correcting journal lines from posted journals, because it's not necessary that whatever you post you don't make a mistake, but you want to change the amount later on, so you can correct the journal lines from posted journal lines. So you can do that from here. So I hope you understand that, and thanks for watching.